आज क्लास रे आमे गोटे वर्कशीट सॉल्व करिबा दैट इज अंडरलाइन द नाउन्स एंड नेम देम। तो आमको नाउन्स को फाइंड आउट करिवार अछि, आमको नेम दबार अछि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नाउन इट इज। तो लास्टली मु जो वीडियो अपलोड करिछि जो माने देखि नाहंती काइंडली गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो, ताले क्लियरली जानि परिबो व्हाट इज नाउन, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन आर देयर। ओके, so let's solve the worksheet together and I want you to pause the video and try to solve this worksheet by your own. Okay, so let's do it. First one, it is written number 1, we saw a shoal of fish swimming in the lake. So as I have told you, noun is the naming word. What is noun? It mentions about all the name of the things, person, group, place, feelings, anything. So any name mentioned in the grammar or in our daily life are known as the noun. तो एठी हमें जानिबा जे what is the naming word is here and what kind of noun it is. Okay, so एठी mention हेची shoal of fish. So shoal of fish is the collective noun. This shoal word is the collective noun. Okay, collective noun कहीं ना आमे फर्स्ट में देखिले कोटा नाउन एठी नेम अछि, एठी गोटे नेम अछि लेक। लेक आमे जेमति कहूचे बिंदुसागर गोटे लेक, आउरी जेते चिलिका गोटे लेक, आमे लेक जो कहूचे तो नेम सेपरेट नेम थले सेटा प्रॉपर नाउन, बट खाली लेक मेंशन इज दैट मींस इट इज द कॉमन नाउन. ओके, इट इज द कॉमन नाउन. क्लियर? So first one आमे solve करले. Likewise all the 7 sentences we have to solve. We have to find out the noun. What is the noun? Where is the noun? We have to find out. Then we have to name that. Okay. So go to the next one. My brother plays the piano very well. तो एठी noun कोटा अछि, गोटे हला brother आ गोटे हला piano. दीटा noun आमे पाई गले. तो एटा को noun? Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun or collective noun. What kind of noun it is? It is the common noun. Okay, कहेंगे ना जदि मु कहि थांती मो my brother Sam, suppose I would have mentioned the name of a person or name of my brother, Sam would be the proper noun, but my brother, the word brother is the common noun. Okay, so that's why brother is the common noun. Then piano. Piano is what? The proper name of piano is the musical instrument. So musical instrument are many. So piano is the common noun, right? Piano is the common noun. So here, look at here. Ganga is a holy river. Ganga is a noun. River is a noun. Okay. So Ganga is the name of a the proper name of a noun or the river. So that's why Ganga is the proper noun, right? Ganga is the proper noun. But river, here river is, we can consider many rivers. It is the common name for the rivers. So that's why it is the common noun. Okay, so now go to the next one. The audience clapped their hands. The audience clapped their hands. What are the nouns? Find out fast. Audience and hands are the noun. Because हमको जानिबार अछि को गुडा नेम होची ऑडियंस गोटे नेम, हैंड्स गोटे नेम. सो इटी ऑडियंस कोन? बहुत सारा लोकों को नेकी ऑडियंस बनुची. इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. इट्स कॉल्ड एज ऑडियंस. जो माने गोटे जिंस जे देखंती, गोटे मूवी देखुचंती कि गोटे कोठी यात्रा होची देखुचंती, ऑल द पीपल आर कॉल्ड एज ऑडियंस. सो दैट इज अ ग्रुप. सो ऑडियंस इज द कलेक्टिव नाउन. ऑडियंस इज द collective noun. Clear? Hand is not the hand is what? It is the name of a part of the body ro gote part. So ye haba common noun. Okay, common noun. Clear? Go to the next one. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is a noun, power is a noun. What kind of noun it is? Can you see it, touch it? No. abstract noun is something जहाँ को आमे छुई पारंतिनी देखि पारंतिनी धरि पारंतिनी only feel करंती power is something you cannot touch you cannot say I have power that person has power or I have knowledge so I have power can you show that power can you show your knowledge to anybody मु कहि परिबी मोर एतिकी knowledge अछि तम पाखे रखि थाओ no so abstract noun is something which you cannot show to anybody cannot give to anybody cannot touch it cannot what I can say cannot shift it you just have to feel it so जहाँ जो जिनस को आम छुई पारंतिनी देखि पारंतिनी only feel करि पारन that is the abstract noun so knowledge and power both are the abstract noun okay abstract noun clear okay that's great then number 6 he was very negative in his child okay sorry it is naughty not negative okay he is very naughty he was very naughty in his childhood he is a noun and childhood is also a noun so he is what noun he is your brother he is your father he we mention it is the noun when you learn about proper noun you'll get to know but now it is the noun and here he is the common noun and childhood is the abstract noun because childhood ko ame childhood is something you have to feel it is childhood motherhood or boyhood all those are the abstract noun okay so childhood is the abstract noun get it so now go to the next one our team win the match our team win the match what are the nouns here first find out the noun team and match are the noun here team is what kind of noun see when you would talk about all the players the group of players is called the team so that's why it is the collective noun what noun talk about the group the collective noun so team is the collective noun right so here match is what cricket match football match many more matches are there so it has a separate name okay suppose you would say cricket match would be the proper noun but it is telling about the match only so it is the common noun okay it is just the common noun now a herd of cattle blocked the road now a herd of cattle okay what kind of noun it is this herd is the noun and road is the noun so here herd of cattle is the collective noun it is talking about the group of cattle now road is the common noun because it is talking about the only road there are main road name of the roads are there if it is mentioning any particular name then that would be proper noun but it is telling about a road only so it is the common noun so all the 5 types of nouns we have discussed here like proper noun common noun collective noun and abstract noun all those nouns we have mentioned here so this is what in before you and do one thing जदि तुम पाखे किसी ग्रामर बही अच्छी आहरी बहुत सारा वर्कशीट कर तो नाउन धीरे धीरे क्लियर हो इट वुड हेल्प यू इन योर टॉकिंग इन योर फ्लुएंसी एंड with the correction of grammar also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for attending my classes.